Hey family, I am Dorothy Harris and welcome back to my channel. We talk about all things business, wealth, and lifestyle. If you're looking for entrepreneurial tips, ways to build more wealth, or hey, you just want to have some fun and adventure, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to like and go ahead and click that subscribe button. I can't wait to journey with you. It's just that I'm that girl. Totally kidding. Hey family, welcome back to my channel. I am Dorothy Harris, and sorry for the little tidbit. I just had to really get into this new Beyonce album. I don't know if I have any Beyonce fans out there, but let's just be real. We have it on repeat, right? Absolutely love it. That's my girl, so why wouldn't I start the video with that? Kidding. So I am Dorothy Harris. Welcome back to my channel where we talk about all things business, wealth building, and a lifestyle. And of course, I'm a Michigan licensed realtor, so a little bit of real estate as well. Today's video, I am coming back because you guys absolutely loved my last video, which was 3 amazing side hustles that you should certainly be doing in 2022. And I wanted to definitely elaborate a little bit more in the last video, but more so focus on one side hustle that I elaborated on and give you more detail. So I'm excited to talk about the ultimate side hustle of 2022, but to go into more detail to give you guys a little bit more insight as to what the focus should be for this particular side hustle. So let's get into it. And first of all, I just want to say thank you to everybody who watched and liked and commented on that last video. You guys are absolutely amazing. I'm so excited to grow my YouTube journey with you. And if you're new here, welcome family. I love you already. You're going to have an amazing time here. Go ahead and click like and already go ahead and click subscribe because as I mentioned, you are going to love it here. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I want to talk about Amazon KDP again. But this time, I want to go into a little bit more detail on why publishing medium to high content books on Amazon KDP is definitely one of the ultimate side hustles of this year. So if you guys haven't already known, in my last video, I did go ahead and tell you guys about how I publish not only a low content book or journal on Amazon KDP, but I've also published a high content children's book on Amazon KDP. Now, if you've already done your research or if you haven't, no worries, I do it for you. What we're noticing is that a lot of people are publishing low content books on Amazon KDP. Now, obviously, if you don't know already, publishing books on Amazon KDP is super automated. So all you're doing, you're creating these books on sites like Canva.com or bookbot.com or other platforms as well. It's super automated because all you're doing is creating these books online and then you're uploading these to Amazon KDP. You've never actually touched the book. Amazon is not only going to do the shipping and packaging for you, they are going to automate the whole entire process. So you will never physically touch any of the sales you get. You actually are going to be just doing the marketing. That's it. Getting people to buy your book and automating the process while doing it. And so the reason why I wanted to elaborate is recently what we've noticed is it's becoming a bit saturated because people are publishing plenty and tons of low content books on Amazon KDP, oversaturating the market and of course making it a little bit harder to compete and to get sales for others who are publishing low content books. So the idea that I have for you all, and what you've probably already heard, and something that I would actually influence is for you to publish medium to high content books on Amazon KDP. Entering into a market that most people really don't want to take the time out to do. So you're going to have all these people who are publishing low content books and doing what's the easy part. And you're just going to put just a little bit more work in and you're going to publish medium to high content. Well, just to give you an example, I have published a children's book on Amazon KDP in which did extremely well and is certainly still growing. And so I would challenge you to definitely think about producing more high content books. And like I said, medium to high content. That way you're entering in a market where in certain niches are a lot less competitive. And you can actually earn a nice piece of market share in those areas. And so the details I wanted to give you all is for my people who are out there like, well, no, Dorothy, we want the low content, sis. We want the stuff that's super easy to turn into passive income. Totally get it. Well, what if I told you producing medium to high content books didn't actually have to be created by you? What if I told you you can actually work smarter, not harder, be the business planner, and find people to do it for you? You got it. A ghostwriter or creator. And I'm going to give you a website in which you're going to have the resources to do this. Absolutely, yes. You don't have to be the person to create it. And so what you should do is you should go to a site called Fiverr.com. That's Fiverr.com, in which I'll list below. And you can actually find ghostwriters on this site. Not only can you find ghostwriters, but you can actually find illustrators to help you bring your ideas to life. And this site has been amazing for me. I'll be completely honest, I do not ghostwrite my books, but I have seen multiple people do it and have great success with it. I write all of my books from scratch, but I certainly do not do my illustrating, as I could not draw if I wanted to. If I put my mind to it, I still couldn't draw. So you're gonna go to Fiverr.com and you can find all these creatives who can actually help you bring your vision to life, whether it's illustrators or writers. And you can look at the reviews and see their sales and how others have utilized them. And guys, even sometimes they put pictures and upload the work that they've done in the past that can give you insights to how good of a job or bad of a job they can do. So I'd advise you to definitely look at the reviews before you pick that person. But if you really want to enter and get a little bit more market share, because everybody is going ahead and doing those low content books, I would certainly challenge you to go on Fiverr.com. Take a look here at a couple of illustrators and a couple of writers. And if you have a great vision in mind, you can still collaborate with them and certainly pay them for their time and help them, and them help you bring your vision to life. And so I certainly encourage it if you want to enter the passive income market of selling books on Amazon KDP. Certainly take it up a notch. Look into some medium to high content opportunities and creative ideas. And go ahead and use that reference I gave you, which again is Fiverr.com, and which I'll list below. Now, I'm super excited for you to start your journey, as I know I'm sure you have some great ideas already that you would love to do, and maybe you just don't have the time to write that book or to get it published or uploaded as quickly as you'd like to. And so again, Fiverr.com is going to be your best friend, friends. I'm just going to tell you that. I think you're going to be amazed when you hop on there and you see that there's just so many people who can help you bring your vision to life without you actually having to put all the work in. Okay? I'm not being paid for this sponsor at all, so don't worry. I wouldn't tell you anything that I haven't tried before. Every single illustrator that I've used, I have found on Fiverr.com. Another cool thing I think is super cool about Fiverr is that it can be very inexpensive. I know a lot of you are probably thinking, okay, sis, well, the whole purpose of this is to find something very inexpensive to create passive income for me. Totally get it. You're going to find creatives on Fiverr that are very fairly priced for what you're looking for. And trust me, I can assure you, you're going to be getting your return on investment very quickly. So again, friends, make sure you check out that resource and that you can utilize that resource. And I wish you a happy passive income day. And don't be afraid to get creative. If you're maybe good in one area than the other, then hey, maybe you can actually go on Canva or BookBot and create your cover, but maybe have someone do the ghostwriting inside for you. Or maybe it's the opposite. Maybe you are really good with writing and you can definitely go ahead and take some time out to write the inside of the book, but you're not good with drawing and you can hire somebody to do the illustrating. Either way, there are so many different diverse ways to make this happen with finding these creatives on Fiverr. So again, friends, just want to let you know, very inexpensive. I paid about probably $75 to get a whole entire book illustrated. Yes, $75. And although the book was only about 26 pages, you can write you a children's book too that's only 26 pages. So just to give you some insight, I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and do me a favor, like and subscribe. Comment below, let me know your thoughts. I have plenty more videos coming to you, and I really hope, guys, you enjoy Fiverr and think of some super creative ideas to go ahead and get published that are medium to high content. And until next time, family, I will see you in the next one.